Hi guys, this is a 2017 Honda Accord. The problem here is that the brake pads seem to wear out on one side, which is the outer side, more than the inner side. So I'm just going to show you right here. If you look, there's hardly any material left. See it? But yet the inside one has material. Okay, you can see it's worn out a little bit unevenly too. See, it's thin here and it's fatter over here. Okay, you see that? And I'm going to tell you a reason why this side wore out a lot faster. These brake pads, they ride in this brake caliper bracket, okay, and the caliper floats, it goes back and forth, okay, and the brake pad should glide back and forth with it. But if you can see the scratch marks there? Looks like it was binding. See it? It's binding, so it's stuck. So instead of retracting away from the rotor, it stays on the rotor all the time and it wears out a lot more. Okay, when you retract the brakes, the brake pads just come out just a little bit more so it doesn't bind. But I'm going to show you what it looks like on those little clips. If you look at the little clips, you notice here it's like a wide, worn out, shiny band. Over here it's very small. You see it? So this one was moving back and forth with no problem. This one is pretty much stuck right where it is. And this is the one that has the brake pad that was worn out. I'll show you on the other side of it too. The other side, same thing. See that? A wide band, because it's sliding back and forth like it's not supposed to be. And that side over there has a little small band, so it's stuck. It's rusty. So when you do your brake pads and your rotors, change the hardware, change these clips, okay? Because they are aluminum, they get rusty, they get dirty. Okay, for a couple of dollars that you can buy these clips separately, buy it. Otherwise, get the brake pads with the clips. I'm going to show you what I mean by the sliding caliper on the other side. Hold on. All right, this is the completed other side. I'm going to show you what I mean by the sliding caliper. Look in here. That's the brake pads. Those are the new clips. So you can grab it from the right hand. Try to hold this camera still while I'm doing that. See, it slides back and forth. Okay, the brake pads slide back and forth with it. See it? And you gotta make sure these pins here are nice and lubricated too. Okay, because that's all part of this floating caliper system. Okay, once it gets stuck like this all the way in, it's going to stay there, and these brake pads are going to wear out because they're touching those rotors all the time. All right, so it has to have this little free movement here. This is the nice 3-year rotors from AutoZone. Just a couple of dollars more. All right, so back on this side, make sure you change all the new clips. Lubricate your calipers on both sides, nice and smooth. Change the brake pads, change the hardware. These come with nice little clips that go on top, give a little tension. All right, that's it. I'm not going to show you how to do the brakes because I'm sure you do know how to do it. This is just a little tip on why brakes wear out unevenly. All right, but like I said, check these things too here. These things here should be in and out with no problem. See it? No problem. If not, you pull them out, you clean them up, and you put a little grease in there. Okay, so these should be nice and smooth. This is for the floating part of it. All right, and get rid of those crappy clips. All right, that's it. Ciao.